Hello team members, we are here to go ahead and get started on our learning journey regarding ableism and disability within the workplace. We have 2 learning targets throughout this learning journey. We want to be able at the end of it as a team to be able to define ableism and note examples of ableism within the workplace setting, while also brainstorming strategies to effectively combat these examples of ableism. This is aligned to our strategic plan, specifically with Goal 3. Within Goal 3, we're wanting to reduce the teacher turnover rate and implement an employee satisfaction survey. We know that if we are to continue to keep our teachers and to continue to keep our wonderful educators and staff that are changing students' lives each day, we need to make sure that we are in an inclusive environment, which is why this is a continuing part of our equity series. We have 3 parts to this learning journey. Right now we're within the pre-learning. Remember that this needs to be done by July 19th at 5 p.m. The pre-learning is this video, an article reading, and a Padlet response. We'll come together as a team for collaborative learning on July 20th, and then you'll have a quick reflection and feedback with the due date of July 28th. So before you go ahead and get started on the rest of your pre-learning, we do want to go ahead and define ableism. Ableism is the systematic oppression of people with perceived disabilities. This is based on an assumption that there is a physical, intellectual, and emotional standard for human beings. That quote-to-quote standard is normal, okay? Sometimes it's also referred to as disableism. And ableism can manifest itself in both conscious and unconscious ways. And so when we unconsciously or consciously practice ableism, we're creating that non-inclusive environment for our team members. Of course, and with the opposite of that, our goal is to have an inclusive environment so that way we continue to have strong teams that then help propel our company's mission forward. So hence, again, the goal of why we're doing this learning journey. Again, remember that this pre-learning is due July 19th at 5 p.m. Go ahead and continue on and read those 2 articles below, and then you need to respond with thoughts and comments to at least 2 of the Padlet prompts. We'll be using these and your knowledge gained from the articles to go ahead and make sure that we have a productive collaborative learning session. I'll see you then.